Here's the bad news. Friction can kill your app. And that's not all. No matter how many hours you pour into development, planning, and promotion, you can't avoid all bugs and UX mistakes. Especially in the early days, updates and fixes are all developers' bread and butter. But the users expect a seamless experience. And if you don't react early enough, customer satisfaction will drop. And so will App Store ratings and retention rate. According to Google's research, only 9% of users will stay on a mobile app that doesn't fully meet their needs. And 29% of dissatisfied users will ditch your app immediately after the first problem occurs. So, is there anything you can do? Sure there is. I'm Sabina, a content manager at Survicate. Today I'll show you why your app needs to be user-centered. Spoiler, you need to collect customer feedback. Why? Well, I have 5 reasons. Number 1. Surveys will help improve and speed up app development. An in-app survey will help you spot bugs and user experience shortcomings in the early development stage. Ask your users if they've encountered any issues while using your app. You can request general app feedback or inquire about specific features. A good survey tool like Survicate will let you run targeted surveys. They can appear on particular screens on your app or only to a specific group of users. This way, you'll quickly discover which parts of your app need fixing. Number 2. Surveys will also help design your product roadmap based on your users' needs. Not all feedback you collect through your app needs to be app-related. Imagine H&M, the international clothing brand. They have an app, and within it, they don't just collect feedback on how the app itself works. They may also collect data on general customer satisfaction, the satisfaction with the quality of the clothes, and customer experience within physical stores. User input will let you create your product roadmap and prioritize tasks based on data, not guesswork. Don't be afraid of asking your users what they'd like to see next. You can do that by adding open-ended questions to your surveys and collect qualitative feedback. Add the most frequently repeating answers to your roadmap. If you use Survicate, you can integrate feedback data with the product board integration. It enables you to send survey responses as notes. Product board is used to understand user needs and prioritize roadmaps based on feedback from different sources. Number 3. Collecting feedback will help improve your app's performance and usability. No matter how many scenarios you run, you just can't predict every possible friction in your user experience. This is why you should use surveys even in seasoned, stable apps. Give your users a possibility to voice their negative feedback and act on it. You'll spot emerging issues early and keep your customers satisfied. For example, if you notice your users often abandon your app after using a specific feature, trigger a survey at that touchpoint and ask customers what exactly made them leave and how you could improve for them. Alternatively, you can add a button like Leave Feedback or Raise a Bug in your app and target the survey to be triggered once someone clicks it. That way, users can actively provide feedback, even if you haven't triggered it on a specific event because you weren't aware that it was problematic. Number 4. With surveys, you can also catch negative feedback before bad reviews come. Some users will share their opinion online when they are unhappy with a product or app. And if you have a lot of negative reviews, your App Store rating will reflect that. Like, imagine if a top reviewer left this in your review section. Now imagine it is a private survey response instead. Catch negative feedback with surveys before it is shared online. Survey unsatisfied users about what they dislike about your app and try to fix the shortcomings. With survey apps like Survicate, you can receive notifications for every response, so you can react in real time. And number 5. Surveys will help reap the benefits of good word of mouth. Do you get a lot of positive survey responses? If so, why not ask your customers to recommend you on their social media profiles, write you positive reviews on third-party sites, or even become beta testers? But don't blindly ask every customer to leave you an online review. You might end up with unsatisfied customers sharing their opinion publicly. Instead, use survey logic. Create different paths for respondents depending on their previous answers. Now you know how important it is to track customer experience in your app. Check out our video that gives a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a mobile app survey. Link in the eye and in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more content on feedback collection.